it's Komori, and today we're going to be making Mew Ichigo's choker. To make Ichigo's choker, we're going to cut a rectangle out of the same pink satin, fold it in half, and sew it together along the top, leaving the ends open. Turn the tube right side out and press it flat. Next, we're going to sew some pleated satin ribbon on either side of the choker. Now it's time to add the hardware. So on both ends we're going to gather the edge and insert it into a ribbon clasp. Then on one end we're going to add a jump ring and a lobster clasp so we can close the necklace. And on the other end we're going to add a chain to make it adjustable. I also added a little heart charm at the end just for a little bit more detail. To make Ichigo's pendant, we're going to start by cutting an oval out of some craft foam and then sealing it with some Mod Podge. Then paint it using a neutral colored paint to act as a primer. After the primer layer has dried, we're going to paint it gold and add the pink design in the center of it. Then I covered it in some sparkle glaze to really give it that magical girl look. Then we're going to take a large needle and pierce through the top to create a hole to attach a jump ring so that we can sew it onto the front of the choker. And with that, Mew Ichigo's choker is done. For more tutorial videos on how to make the rest of the costume, please subscribe, and thank you very much for watching!